Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be diving into how to install HyperOS File Manager on any rooted Android phone. This file manager is packed with features that make managing your files a breeze. Note, while I've tested this on Android 14 and it works fine, there's no guarantee it'll function flawlessly on lower Android versions. Key features of this mod: Storage tab as default. Instead of the Recent tab, the Storage tab will be your default view. Mi Drive disabled. Say goodbye to Mi Drive. It's completely disabled. Ads disabled. No more annoying ads interrupting your file management experience. Super Clipboard. Copy and paste multiple items seamlessly. For all Android devices, the empty folder crash has been fixed. Before opening the app, ensure you grant it storage permission. Otherwise, it will crash. You can find the download link in the video description. Download the HyperOS File Manager app from the link provided in the video description. Locate the downloaded APK file and tap on it to begin the installation process. After granting permissions, you're ready to launch HyperOS File Manager and experience its powerful features. That's it, you've successfully installed HyperOS File Manager on your rooted Android phone. Enjoy the enhanced file management experience it offers. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.